Hi guys, today I received these LED floodlights with camera for reviewing purposes. So let's start opening up the box. We have in here a note, manual, installation, screws and connection, some screws. Okay, and this is the main unit. It has a screw that locks it in. So I'm gonna get a screwdriver to loosen it and see how it looks when it's completely unfolded, okay? This is how it will look. You can adjust these side lights however you want. Okay, I move just like this. And here we got everything you need to install. It's just some basic screws that you need to place. Okay. It is suitable for wet locations and everything you want to place, okay? So, as you can see, it just needs a basic wiring. So let's go ahead and install it. I'll be placing it outside on top of my door, so let's go. Okay, now it's ready. We have here the application. We can turn it around, and as you can see, we can turn it. Like this. We can save it to our library. Now it's recording, as you can see. Hi. We have different options. We can turn on the light and turn it off like this. It detects movement, which is really nice. So I will recommend it. Just him. It was really easy to configure it, really easy to install it. It's really nice. Okay, so I would really recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.